What up, my sexy welding people from YouTube? This is your Captain Manny. Today's video, guys, there's nothing going on really. It's Sunday and there's no church, there's no restaurants, everything's closed. So in today's video, guys, we're gonna be welding some rod and drinking some beer at the same time. All right, so stay tuned and let's get to it. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. It was fun to be welding and driving. Sorry, not welding and driving. Welding and drinking. Don't weld and drive, that's bad. It's my new little setup right here, you guys can see. This 16-inch pipe. I did some 80-10 and we tried some 70-18 because I ran out of 80-10. I'm almost out, and I saw this box with mixed rod and it has some 70-18, and I was like, you know what, I have never welded 70-18 with this machine, so let me try. So I think the sweet spot is like 4 gear and third, or 4 gear and second, depending, you know, vertical probably second and up probably third. So but yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. This is your Captain Manny, and today we weld and drink. Sunday Funday. Today was Sunday Funday video, guys, for you. I hope you guys are having a safe day. If you're working, hopefully not, it's Sunday, and whatever you're doing, quarantine, try not to get sick, and I'll see you next time in the next video. All right, stay safe out there, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for notifications when I upload videos. All right, so I'll see you next time. Adios.
Boy.